Hey, I have 4 and 5-year-old little boys who absolutely love stickers, and they tend to try to stick them places they don't belong, such as the car windows, the floors at the dentist office, the kitchen table. Lots of places they shouldn't be. So I went ahead and picked one of these up, which isn't actually a sticker book. So these sheets are kind of the same texture as the backing of the stickers. So the stickers stick to it, they peel right off, and they can move them around. There's tons of pages in this thing. And what I did is I actually got some of this Cricut premium vinyl here. It's premium permanent vinyl. And I cut out, as you can see on this one, a dinosaur. And I also cut out the name, but I didn't put it on because I don't want to put his name in the video. But yeah, so that way I could personalize it for them. It was pretty easy. So I definitely recommend picking these up if you have kids who like stickers. It will save your other surfaces. If you would like to pick up one of these books or this vinyl, I'll throw affiliate links in this video's description so you can do that. And if you purchase through them, I will earn a small commission. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe so you can see new projects I make, and have a great day.